How's it going, everybody? Littlefoot here, and today we're going to be treading lightly on the Covert Companion Pro by Covert Instruments. Now, I've gathered a few locks that are bypassable. I'm not going to be picking any of the locks today, so we're just going to try out the bypass tools and see what we can open. First, I'm going to use this utility shim on these single locked handcuffs. Stick that right between the teeth. And there we go. Nice and easy. Next up, we're going to use the bypass knife on this no-name padlock that I found in a drawer somewhere. There we go, nice and easy. Next up, we have the warded locks. So I'm going to start with this profile. I'm going to take this lock and give that a shot. There we go. Now I'm going to switch profiles for the other lock. And here we are. There we go. Next, we have locks that are vulnerable to comb picking. So first, this American lock, I'm going to use the 6-pin comb and see what I can do here. There we go. Very quick, very easy. Now the 5-pin. Now for the 4s. And lastly, we're going to use the notch decoder on this master combination lock. I'm going to stick it in between the wheels. I'm going to push down on the shackle and pop the lock open just like that. So there you have it. One tool, many different locks opened, and I didn't even pick a single one.